In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise with PandaDoc for international payments. To get started, first prepare your Wise account. Log into Wise and make sure your account is fully verified because receiving payments may be limited if verification is incomplete. Next, open the currency balance you want to receive money in, such as US dollars, euros, or British pounds. Inside that currency balance, select account details and copy the receiving information Wise provides. Depending on the currency, this could include an account number, routing number, IBAN, sort code, or SWIFT and BIC details. It's important to use the exact receiving details shown for that specific currency. Once that's ready, move over to PandaDoc. Log in and either create a new document or open an existing proposal or invoice template. Add your service or product information, enter the amount your international client needs to pay, and then include your payment instructions. This is the part that connects the workflow. Even though Wise is not a built-in PandaDoc payment gateway. Since Wise works here as a manual payment option, clearly label the payment method as an international bank transfer. Then paste in the appropriate Wise receiving details for the currency you want the client to use. Only include the details that are actually required for that payment route. For example, that may include the recipient or business name, bank name, account number, routing number, IBAN, SWIFT or BIC, and a payment reference. Next, add a payment reference for the client to include when they send the transfer. This is extremely helpful because it makes it easier to match the incoming payment inside Wise. After that, explain the currency clearly. Be specific and tell the client exactly which currency to send. For example, instruct them to send the payment in US dollars using the US dollar account details you provided. Avoid mixing currencies or sharing details from the wrong Wise balance. Now review the PandaDoc document carefully, add your client's email address, and send the proposal, quote, or contract. The client can then review and sign the document. After signing, they'll need to use their own bank or payment provider to send the international transfer to your Wise receiving account. The payment flow is simple, from the client's bank to your Wise receiving account, and then into your Wise balance. Once the client says payment has been sent, open Wise again, go to the relevant currency, and check your transactions. Look for the incoming payment and confirm the amount along with the sender or payment reference. Don't mark the invoice as paid based only on a transfer receipt. Always verify that the funds have actually arrived in Wise. After the money is confirmed, open the related PandaDoc document, update your internal payment records, and mark the invoice or payment as received according to your normal workflow. If you want clients to pay directly inside PandaDoc in the future, you would need to use one of PandaDoc's supported payment gateways instead.